Welcome to the Game and Party channel. I'm Erica, and in this cardboard community video, I'm going to cover 3 do-it-yourself board game related costumes. My arts and crafts skills are relatively basic, so these are going to be very simple and easy to implement. Let's go take a look. Costume number 1 is the patient from Operation. This costume was tons of fun because it had the ability to instantly make people smile and instantly make people laugh. In order to make the costume, I ended up using clothes I had on hand at home for the outerwear, and the pieces themselves are actually just poster board. I took white poster board and red poster board and glued them together. The one tricky thing I had was getting these to stick to the clothes. You can see I actually ended up having to use staples to make that happen. The initial plan was to glue that on, but it just would not hold when I was moving around, particularly in my elbow and knee area. The next step was to add accessories. I had tongs to cover the tweezers, a blinky nose, and my favorite part was I hid the taboo buzzer in my shirt so I could buzz at people during the night. Costume number 2 is a Guess Who character. I love this costume idea because there's so much variability to it. I ended up going with Claire, but you could pick any character from the game or even make one up and be somebody brand new. For the shirt, I just got a normal red shirt. You could also do blue to go with the colors in the game and use 3D paint on the question mark. The frame for the face is actually just cut out from poster board. And the next thing you need to do really is just pick whatever accessories go with your character. So for Claire, I ended up getting some cheap accessories at a thrift store. I got a fake pair of glasses and a hat with some flowers on it. Costume number 3 is still a work in progress. I wanted to simulate the ultimate Halloween horror. It's the day of the party, and you realize, whoop, you still don't have a costume. So earlier today, I walked around my house and tried to come up with something that I could make with only the materials that were in my house. And I ended up getting inspired by this game right here. I found a piece of cardboard from an Amazon box. I've printed out some letters and a couple of pictures, and we'll see what we can make. Ta-da! Costume number 3 is a clue card from Codenames. As a last-minute costume idea with items that you have lying around the house, I think it turned out pretty well. I will be wearing this to a Halloween party that I'm going to in the next few days, so I went with a clue word of skeleton, and I figured if I combined it with an old skeleton costume I had from a prior party, I'd actually turn out to be pretty thematic. The fun thing about the costume is you can choose whatever word you want, so be creative and have fun with it. Overall, I hope this video gave you some ideas for quick, simple, do-it-yourself board game related costumes. If you have better arts and crafts skills than I do, you can certainly take all 3 ideas to the next level. Thanks for watching this cardboard community video, where we always have a seat at the table.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, check out our podcast, and you can find us on all of our social media sites on gameandparty.com. See you on the next video.